हेलो एवरीवन, क्या हाल चाल है आपका। दिस इज उदित सिंगला। वेलकम यू ऑल टू अभिपीडिया, इंडियाज नंबर वन प्लेटफॉर्म इन द ईपीएफओ प्रिपरेशन। आप सबके लिए सेशन लाया हूँ रिगार्डिंग यूपीएससी ईपीएफओ कट ऑफ लास्ट टाइम। तो इस सेशन में हम बात करेंगे यूपीएससी ईओ एओ एंड एपीएफसी एग्जामिनेशन की कट ऑफ क्या थी लास्ट टाइम और टोटल कितने कैंडिडेट्स ने इस एग्जाम को दिया था। तो चलिए सेशन शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टॉक अबाउट द कट ऑफ फॉर ईओ एओ, बट बिफोर दैट you need to know about the pattern of the examination. So there will be a objective type paper of 300 marks. After that you have interview of 100 marks. Then your total merit will be out of 400 marks. So this will be the pattern of the examination. Now we will talk about the cutoff. First of all, we will see the cutoff for EOAO. The cutoff for EOAO was 138.33 for the UR category in the written test. After the interview it was 212.83. And the minimum number of marks you required in interview was 50. So this is out of 300 and this is out of 400. So you can see you barely need 50 to 55% of the marks to clear this examination. And the weightage here for the written test and interview was 75 is to 25 respectively. The cutoff for OBC category was 138.33 in the written test and after the interview it was 205.83. The minimum number of marks required in interview was 45. You can see here there is a gap of around 7 marks between the cutoff of UR category and OBC category. For EWS category, the cutoff was 134.18, the written test, and after the interview, it was 195.83. You can see here there is a gap of around 17 marks between the cutoff of UR category and EWS category, and the minimum number of marks you required in interview was 50 here. So this is regarding the cutoff for EWS category. For SC/ST category, you can see the cutoffs here. So this is regarding the cutoff for EO/AO, and the total number of candidates who appeared in the examination was 3,60,978. So you can see the competition is very high. Around 3 to 4 lakh candidates appeared for the examination, but you barely need 50 to 55% of the marks to clear this examination. And this will be a objective type paper only. You don't have any intermediate stage like UPSC mains. So you will have a objective type paper of 300 marks, then you have interview of 100 marks, then you will be in the list. This is regarding the cutoff for EO/AO. Now we will talk about the cutoff for APFC. The cutoff for APFC was 178.33 for the written test for UR category. After the interview, it was 257.50. And the minimum number of marks required in interview was 50. And this is out of 400 and this is out of 300. And you can see this amounts to 60 to 65% of the marks. So you can see the cutoff for APFC is a bit higher than the cutoff for EOAO. The reason for this was the paper for APFC was a bit easier than the paper for EOAO last time. So that's why the cutoff for APFC was a bit higher than the cutoff for EOAO. The cutoff for OBC category for APFC was 178.33, the written test, and after the interview it was 246.18. Here there is a gap of around 11 marks, and the minimum number of marks required in interview was 45. So this is regarding the cutoff for OBC category. Cutoff for EWS category was 176.68, the written test, and after the interview it was 241.83. So here there is a gap of around 16 marks in the cutoff of WS and UR category. The minimum number of marks required in interview here was 50. So this is regarding the cutoff for EWS category. For SC/ST category, you can check the cutoff here. This is regarding the cutoff for APFC. And the total number of candidates appeared in the examination was 3,59,550. So here also weightage is around 75 is to 25, 75 is to 25 for the written test and interview respectively. So you can see the competition is very high in APFC also, and the cutoff is also high in the APFC. So you need proper guidance and strategy to clear this examination. For this, Abhipedia can help you out in this journey. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. We will happy to address that. Today, this is for today's session. Thank you for watching the session. Thank you.